many that were there and so many throughout our city are on board with that vision.
So what gives you hope that your city will heal?
We obviously are in a tough place now. The murder of George Floyd, and let's be very clear, this began with a murder that was done by our white police officer where he put his knee on the neck of a black man who was handcuffed and defenseless. We came out right away and said, you know what, this is wrong. I mean, there are protocols and procedures that are literally baked into the walls of City Hall that say not to act too quick, not to speak out or say something because there's got to be a process. And we said, you know what, this is just flat out wrong. So we terminated all 4 officers immediately. I called for charges. There obviously was protest, both peaceful and not. Since then, though, I do have this overarching belief in our city. I know that our city cannot just come out of this, but we can set this united tone where we look back years and decades from now and we say that was the moment where we rose up as a united unit and we said we're going to make change.
Mayor Frey,